back to Smart Trader, and this is Paul. And thank you so much for those likes, comments, shares, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, definitely go to my channel and watch all the videos. And only if you like it, then subscribe to my channel. And you can also WhatsApp me on the given number. So today's trick is going to be very simple. There's going to be an intraday trick on stocks, and also you can use this for positional in certain situations. I'll tell you at the end of the video. So without wasting time, let's start off. So the condition is going to be very simple. All you need to know about these two conditions. Okay, if you want to go long, that is buy, you should have a super trend, a 5 minutes chart saying a buy signal, giving a buy signal to you. And also you should go check the RSI above. RSI should be above 50, and that should be for a 1 hour chart. Okay, understand? Super trend should be for 5 minutes, RSI should be for 1 hour. Okay, understood the difference? Now for short, it's going to be very simple, just the opposite. Super trend should give a sell signal. 5 minutes chart, a sell signal should come, and you need to go and cross check if the RSI is below 50 for 1 hour chart. So this is how you need to cross check. This is the condition. Until and this both adds up, you cannot do a long, and until this two adds up, you cannot do a short. Okay, so always follow the conditions in a strategy, because most of the people assume half and they go by and they say strategy works 90% of the time and 10% of the time it doesn't work. Strategies work most of the time only when we follow the exact conditions and according to the market trend. If you go, so today's market trend is buy, then we are going towards long, waiting for the signals on the stocks. Do not go against the market trend. So if the market trend is below today, search for the stocks which are giving a sell signal with this 5 minutes charts of super trend, and then see the RSI below 50, and then confirm and then sell the stock. Okay, so don't go against the market and then see for those conditions. Okay, so for the ones who do not know, I'll just show you exactly. If I just open one of the Indelco stocks, it's 1 hour chart. Let me put it for 5 minutes. Okay, so if you do not know how to check for super trend, just type in here super trend, click on super trend, default settings, create. I've already created, so I'm not doing it again. So I'm just seeing the signals of the super trend. Let's just back test this. So here, let's take an example of this. So on 12th, this is 12th April, around 9:30, we have a signal of sell. So as soon as you get a signal, so I'll be watching my stocks like this randomly. Okay, so whichever stock gives immediate sell or just one candle behind sell, that is 5 minutes chart. This is 5 minutes chart, guys. So I'll just go and confirm. Now I'll go and just give a pop out here. Okay, so I have put an RSI. So the ones who do not know how to put an RSI, go here and type RSI, click on RSI. This is a default setting, create. Okay, 80 and 20. Okay, so what I have done, I have gone to a horizontal line over here. Just for my confirmation, I have put a line like this. You saw this line? So I have put a line at 50. It has come around 51, but you have to put exactly, see, 50.63. So you have to put around 50. So you need to see if this RSI line is above the 50 or below the 50. If this RSI line is above the 50, then it's going to be a buying trend, and if it is below, it's a selling trend. Okay, so now let's go and see at 12th April what are the signal I got on the stock example. So around, let me put it for 1 hour chart. RSI is going to be 1 hour chart, guys, keep this in mind. Okay, so here we go. 12th, see, 12th around 9:15 is 1 hour chart, so we can't exactly see here. Okay, it's 9:15 and something after 9:15, so it's around 45. So we got a signal here to sell. I'm gonna confirm with 1 hour chart with the RSI at that particular time. At that particular time, you can see the exact moment. So 9:50, 9:25, it's still below. So it's 41 to 45. So it's a sell signal, and I would have sold the stock here. Okay. Then again, the stock gave a buy, and I got my good target from here. For example, if we see around 196 up to 192, then you got a buy signal. Let us check on 12th, around 12:45. This is 12th, 12:45, somewhere over here. Okay, between these two, still it's below the line. Okay, so here you got a buy signal, but the RSI is below, so you should not buy this stock. Okay, later again you got at 14:55, you got a sell signal on 12th, somewhere here 14:55. Okay, if I go back, I'll go to 14:15. So 14:55, somewhere here in this between, it is around 41. So still it's a sell, and I would go and sell the stock. And now I will tell you the condition. See, if you're getting any signal between 1 o'clock, okay, if you're getting any signal between 1 o'clock, and if you're getting all the conditions, for example, the market was down on that day, so I'm going to go only on one side, that's going to be short side. And as in when I got the short side, I got a signal here also, it was below the 50 line, so I sold the stock. Okay, I did short. And in case if it's, in this case I just gave an example, in this case it was a buy, but if you go and see the RSI, it was not a buy. Okay, but as the market trend was down, we are not going to go towards the opposite side. And also your stop loss would be, for example, for this trade, you shorted this stock. Okay, your stop loss would be the next opposite signal. Okay, so as and when you get a next opposite signal, it's good to exit, because it may carry it away in a longer way. So that is going to be a stop loss for a buy. In case if you would have bought the stock, example like this, in a buying trend, and you got a signal, proper signal, you took a buy here and you bought it here, and a stop loss as and when you get a next uh, signal, that's the opposite signal, that is your stop loss. Okay, so hope you got a stop loss. You can target for 0.5 to 1%. Most of the time you can target more. And anything after 1 o'clock, you're getting a signal like this. For example, this is a signal after 1 o'clock, right? You cannot do intraday because the movement will be very less after 1 o'clock. I mean, the time frame is very less for you to hit maximum returns. So what you guys can do after 1 o'clock, it is safe for you to buy it in a positional. For example, in this is going to be positional, and any buy after 1 o'clock also is going to be positional. Look at this movement right now. The stock is still moving. It's a great move from 193 to 181. So it's a good profit. So hope this trick is an add-on to your knowledge. I would suggest this is going to be an educational video. So do a paper trading, and only when you feel you are comfortable with this idea, and if you want to tweak it, do whatever tweaking. And if it is working out for you, and if you're understanding the concepts, only then put your real money and trade. So this is going to be educational video. So therefore do paper trading and virtual trading from my end. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give a like so that I can make more such strategy videos and tricks videos for you guys. And please do subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.